Hello everyone! This is my version of Lomi. Simulan na natin. Sa isang large pan or wok, add half-pound pork strips. Fry the pork strips until oil comes out and pork turns light brown. Remove from pan and set aside. Add 1 cup squid balls sliced in half. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until sides are brown. Remove the squid balls from the pan and set aside. Add a small amount of cooking oil. Add 1/2 cup liver. Cook the liver until tender. Do not overcook. Remove the liver from the pan and set aside. Add a small amount of cooking oil. Add 3 to 4 cloves garlic. And cook the garlic until fragrant. Add small onion, chopped, and cook until soft or translucent. Add 6 to 8 cups pork broth. Cover and bring to a boil. Samahan natin ng 1 piece pork cube. Then, idagdag natin ang mga niluto nating mga sangkap kanina. Kalahati lang ng cooked pork, kalahati ng liver, and kalahati ng squid balls. At para makulay at masustansya, sinamahan ko rin ng isang small carrot. Add 1/4 cup soy sauce. Haluin natin, then bring to a boil. Add 400 grams Lomi Noodles. Haluin natin, then bring to a boil. Dagdag natin ang 3 tablespoon cornstarch na dissolve ko sa 1/4 cup water. Pwede mo dagdagan ng cornstarch, depende sa lapot na gusto mo. Importante, nalagyan natin ng 2 eggs na binati. At another vegetable, cabbage na pampakulay. Season with salt and pepper. Now it's ready. Sauce will continue to thicken. Let's serve. Top with cooked pork, liver, and squid balls. You can also add chicharon if you like. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Try this Lomi. Thanks for watching!